Mm, Sección 48 describe objetos. Describe la naturaleza. Lección 3 de 5.
Do you know the name of that star?
Tú sabes el nombre de la estrella. Tú sabes el nombre de la estrella.
How many stars can you see?
How many stars can you see? What is the farmer's house? Yes, in the restaurant at the top of the mountain. At the top of the mountain.
Why is the dog running around that tree?
Why is the dog running around that tree? Bruno, are we on the wrong path? Do we need to go back?
You can take the train to go down the mountain.
Tú puedes tomar el tren para bajar la montaña. Two farmers
Farmers.
live on the mountain. There is a path between there. Dos adultos son la montaña. Hay un camino between there. Hay un camino entre ambas granjas, ¿no? Sí.
Farms.
Tú sabes el nombre de esa estrella. Do you know the name of that star? Discovery bajar la montaña. Después the horse went down the mountain slowly. Caminó alrededor del edificio. The farmer walked around around the building
I've never gone to the top of the mountain.
of the mountain. You can take the line to go down the. You can take the train to go down the mountain.
The farmer and his dog are going down the mountain.
Farm.
The farmer and his dog are going down the mountain.
Porque tú estás corriendo por el inicio. Why do you why are you why are you running around the running? Hay un búho en dirección del árbol. There is an owl in the top. The top of the mountain. Top of the tree. Top of the tree. There's an owl. It is an owl. Claro. Yo no puedo encontrar el camino. I don't find. I can't find. I cannot find. Not find the path. Hay un puente muy largo. There is one hole. There is an hole in the top of the tree. There is an hole on the top. There is a hole on the top tree. Casi perfecto. Casi termino fallando.